Hey guys, this is Mr. Dykstra trying to get ready for our memory work quiz coming up this week. That's the Acts 13, verses 2 through 3. We find ourselves in Syrian Antioch, which is the new international church, and it'll become like a model by which Paul will try to create replicas all over the Greco-Roman world. And inside of this scene, we see the church, through great acts of worship, fasting, and praying, laying on hands, to send off Saul and Barnabas to go create more of these international churches all over the world to prepare for the second coming of Christ. As they do it, we also begin to notice a few models that Luke likes to show us, and that is that the Holy Spirit is speaking. The Holy Spirit spoke back in chapter 8 when he sent a Jew named Philip, who was one of the 7 deacons, to go and preach to the Ethiopian eunuch and eventually baptize him. And then again in chapter 10, we see the Holy Spirit send Peter to go to a Gentile's house named Cornelius, and there again to preach the good news and to baptize him. And now again we see the Holy Spirit saying, "Set apart for me Barnabas and Saul," and they are going to be sent out to create these international churches, again, out to the Gentiles, to the nations. So we see 3 times the Holy Spirit sending Jews out to recreate this model of what took place in Syrian Antioch. I hope that is helpful for your lecture notes and questions on the quiz.